and I'm sure that you guys are, excuse me, sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing super amazing because this is a super amazing festive haul that we all are waiting for. And guess what? All the outfits are under 1500 rupees only. Like, you get your whole festive look in under 1500 rupees. And what else do we need on this Diwali? If you guys don't know me, I am Kamya Mehra and I make a lot of fashion videos, styling videos, haul videos, different conceptualized lookbook videos. So if you guys have not seen my previous videos, then please do watch them. I have created some really fun videos. So guys, there are so many different kinds of outfits that I have compiled in this video. I have taken casual Indian outfits, festive Indian outfits, a little medium festive Indian outfits for all your Diwali parties, your pujas, for all the festive looks, for literally everything. You just need to stop here and see all the outfits and you will find the one for you. Also guys, there's a sweet little surprise for you at the end of this video, so do watch the full video. And the best part is I have put all the links of all of these outfits as well as similar outfits in the description box below. So if you guys are planning a nice festive look for your next Diwali party, so this is where you need to be. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with the video. So the first outfit is this really nice green color outfit. I really love this festive look. Like, it is giving such a festive vibe, and especially with this contrasting dupatta, which is like a whole dramatic dupatta, like a blue color. For any of your Diwali parties or like your any festive pujas, I think this will be like a really nice go-to look. And the price is super amazing. It is just for 1100 rupees. So I think for the quality, for the design and the print it is the perfect buy. I've also styled this kurti with this yellow sharara that I had to just give another pop of color to the whole look. The next product is this really nice casual fit from Libas that I got from Myntra, and I really like this because it is so summery and the color, the vibe of it is really nice, and you know, it is not very casual also and not very formal also. I think this is perfect for any casual Diwali party or like any casual event that you want to go for. So I have taken the dupatta like this and it is giving a really nice Indo-Western vibe. So this one I got for 1479 rupees, which is guys amazing for the quality. Like, it is cotton material and the quality is so comfortable and so nice. I think you should definitely go for this. The next outfit I really like because I love the design. It is so different. It is a dhoti and the design of the kurta is like so nice. The flow of it is amazing. I really like it because it is such a festive and like a cool outfit. I think this one is something that you should definitely go for. The price is also not expensive. It is just for 1279 rupees. You can pair it up with, you know, nice jewelry and you're good to go. This is a really nice bright colored festive outfit. You will definitely look out of the box wearing this. If you don't want to wear it as it is, you can also take a dupatta. I have taken the dupatta of the previous outfit that I showed to you, the blue one only, to match it. The next outfit is for everybody who like to wear black and who want to go minimal with their Diwali outfit. The only thing that I don't like about this is the bottom, because the bottom's quality is not that good. It is very like, मतलब ऐसे बहुत ही hard सा fabric है, तो वो ऐसे लगता है थोड़ा सा. So it is not a really nice fabric, but you can definitely wear like a nice palazzo under it, anything that you have already, or maybe like a golden skirt that you have. That will also look really nice with this. But the kurti as it is so pretty, and this wind is making me look even more cooler. This one I got just for 1196 rupees on sale, so I think it is the perfect quality and the perfect buy. Just the bottoms are not so good. So the next outfit is also really nice. It's a very bohemian outfit, this blue colored, you know, with a touch of yellow and white. This is a really nice fit with some boho jewelry on you, and this will look perfect. And the golden hour is making it look even more nice. It also has this dupatta, but I think it makes me look very auntish, so I was not carrying it before, but I just wanted to show to you. If you want to wear it, you can wear it like this also. This will also look really nice and cool. You can also wear the kurti just like that to make it a dress. So this one is also from Libas, and I got this just for 1403 rupees, which is also I think a really nice price for the quality of it, because the quality is again cotton and a very comfortable quality. Okay, so this is my absolute favorite outfit. It is such a nice festive look and it is so cool, guys. Like, you see the sleeves of it. It has a belt attached to it as well, which is making it look even more festive. I love how Indo-Western this is and such a different design this has. And the bottoms are so pretty. It has this print all over it, so you can also wear it with something else if you want. I think this was a really good buy for the price. It is priced at just rupees 1265, which is, I think, an amazing price for the quality. So I really wanted a chikankari outfit in my wardrobe collection, so I definitely wanted to go ahead with this one. I really like the color of it. It is such a nice salmon pink color. So it has this chikankari work on it only on the front side, not on the back side. You see the work on the sleeves is also there, and on the whole front part of it, it is making it look very pretty. So it does not have any dupatta with it, but you can also take like your own dupatta. White colored dupatta would look really nice with this. And guys, the price is just 944 rupees, which I think is a very good price for a chikankari outfit. The next one is also one of my favorites because I love the whole design of it. I love dhoti wale outfits a lot. So it has a dhoti and it has this really nice peplum kind of a kurti, which I really like. I love the whole red and blue work on the bottom or the lace part of it. It is giving a really nice vibe. So I think ये बहुत ही से पंजाबी वाला outfit है, तो मुझे ये काफी अच्छा लगा. And you can see this is the full dhoti. ये ऐसे बटन से यहाँ पे बंद होता है. घर पे कोई था नहीं तो मैं करवा नहीं सकती थी, बट दिस इज लाइक द होल लुक ऑफ इट. सो आई थिंक दिस इज ऑल्सो रियली गुड बाय. स्पेशली गाइज फॉर द प्राइस ऑफ इट, आई गॉट इट फॉर जस्ट 674 rupees. Can you believe it? Like, amazing price. For the quality, it is like that linen cotton material. It is mostly linen only. So the comfort, the quality, everything is perfect. The next outfit is also one of my favorites, which is this mustard colored outfit. So this has this really nice color and like a design on the bottoms and on the upper part of the kurti. It also has this peplum kind of a style only, and I really liked it. मतलब इसका color इतना ज़्यादा summer vibes दे रहा है, तो I think that is really nice. Also, I feel, guys, you can pair it up with a belt also. Like, if you have a golden belt, तो आप belt लगा सकते हो on the waist area. It does not have a dupatta, so you can also pair it up with a dupatta to make it look even more festive. And the price of it is again just 675 rupees. I think जो Anoop brand है और Myntra, उस पर काफ़ी अच्छी सेल चल रही है. So उसमें ये भी Anoop का है, इसके पहले वाला भी Anoop का ही था. So I think you should definitely go for Anoop to buy your festive outfits. The next outfit is for all the ladies out there who like to dress very simple and who love white color. So I think I really wanted कि एक white outfit भी I should definitely put in the collection. की quality बहुत अच्छी है. It is like plain cotton quality. इसका दुपट्टा is really nice and a very nice bright blue color, which is also I think really good. ये बहुत ही ऐसे ना sweet vibes दे रही है, तो I think that is nice. And the price is also good. It's for 1079 rupees only. So I think that is also a good thing. So the last one is this very nice peach colored outfit. So ये वाला outfit मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है frankly. The only thing is कि इसका जो golden design है वो मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा jazzy लगा. So if you like jazzy colors like this for your festive fit, you can definitely go ahead with this because ये बहुत अच्छा color है and ये proper jazzy festive look दे रहा है. So I think this is also good. इसका बस कोई बहुत unique design नहीं है. It is a simple sweet design. इसका दुपट्टा is a very crushed look. So that is also I think a really nice thing. So you can definitely go ahead with this. I would also suggest you to wear the kurti with like a lehenga at the bottom or like a more flary palazzo or sharara. That will make it look even more dressier. So this one I got from Biba for 1214 rupees. So I think it is pretty good for the price because its quality is good. So, did you guys like the video? Did you guys like the outfits? And did you guys find something that is for you? If you did, then please do not forget to hit on the like button and share this video with as many people as you can because I really want everybody to look at these outfits and actually go buy them. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करी है ये सारे outfits ढूंढने में. मैंने literally 20,000 Myntra search से ये outfits ढूंढे. So please, if you guys liked this video, please subscribe on my channel and do not forget to press on the bell icon whenever you want to be notified notified about a video. And guys, you can also follow me on Instagram. I make a lot of fun reels and post a lot of different kinds of pictures. I've also launched my own clothing label. All the information is there on my Instagram, so please do follow me there. I'll put the link in the description box below. Also guys, if you got to know about my clothing brand from here, then you can message me on the Kiara profile with Kiara Festive coupon code, and I will definitely give you a 15% off flat on any of the outfits you like. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a very safe Diwali, a very happy Diwali, and I'm sure that you guys are going to look so stunning in whatever you wear. So stay tuned for my next video. Take care. Bye bye.